In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to sell ebook in Whop. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google and search for ebook size, for example, size in Canva, and then you will get your exactly size. As you can see here, I want to go to Canva, and then I try to create a design for ebook design, and I choose the dimensions, guys, for example, custom size. Width, as you can see here, this is the width. If I check the width on inch, I choose inch, and the size 8.5 and 11. This is for ebook, guys, as you can see here. And then this is ebook templates. I want to go to design option, and then I will to choose a template, for example this one. Just await, for example, I want to write some templates, for example just this one, as you can see here, guys. And then you can write a lot of page here, for example this page 1 and 2, and then you can write your text. And then all you have to do, go to the share. If you complete your ebook on Canva, click on copy link, click allow view access, or click copy private link. As you can see, the link was copied. And then go to Whop, click create Whop. From here, click create your Whop, and then for example choose anyone and chain, for example, and then write your business test, for example. And then all you have to do, this is my name of this one, and click checkout links. And then this is my checkout links. Write your, all the description here, guys, your unique description, and then write your all this description, guys. For example, make money, this one, and then write your basic here. After that, guys, write copy your link, create checkout link here, and then copy your link, your ebook here. Copy private link, guys, as you can see here, copy your private link, and then go back to book. This is my book, and then click checkout links. So guys, this is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video.